Dito sa traffic dir guys. Traffic guys. Traffic situation. Ako sa Lim Street, Cebu City. CG Motorbikes Rental. Tara guys. Alas 4 sa kahaponon. Ongkira Street, traffic situation. Bumper to bumper ang traffic dire guys. Bumper to bumper. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Trekkings Vlog. God bless at all, kanatong tanan.